doing that versus chill doing it?
You don't think anything
I guess chill do it in the beach, soft in the middle.
There's a farm farts.
A farm farts? Sure, Joe. Go ahead and go for that.
Do you know how hard it is to find a decent Tetris game?
Here is the lovely assembly line.
Hey, there's a pig.
I'm working here.
A pig? What a pig!
And it starts with a Calvetta, and she is rolling the balls. She is rolling. And I believe that Ryan and Robin are smishing the balls. Smishing the balls. And Laura and Christy are filling the empanadas, and I actually am supposed to be frying, so I'm gonna and this is the fun of making empanadas.